Once Lycia is installed, you can run it from the Start menu. When Lycia Studio is launched, you have to choose a workspace to store projects. By default, the workspace is located on the local disk C. Developers can have more than one workspace to fit project organization goals, or all projects can be stored within just one workspace. Lycia Studio includes a menu bar, a toolbar, a 4GL perspective, a code editor, and several basic views like the Problems view and the Console view. Menu bar includes menu groups that provide you access to the most basic actions available. From File, you can create new projects, programs, and files, open, close, save, and rename the already created files, import and export, switch workspaces, etc. From Edit, you can edit your files, including copying and pasting, adding bookmarks, doing quick fixes. From Navigate, you can move through your files, which is especially useful when you work with a complex source code. Search provides access to searching through files, plugins, workspaces, and repositories. From Project, you can build and clean your projects and workspaces. From Run, you can run and debug your applications as well as configure, manage breakpoints, and view histories. Window menu group provides access to perspectives and preferences, allows navigation between perspectives and hiding toolbars. With Help, you quickly move to Lycia Online documentation, search, and key assist. From here, you can also launch the software installation wizard or study installation details. Main toolbar incorporates several groups of toolbar buttons, which allow creating and opening files and programs, debugging, building and running applications, searching and viewing histories, etc. Most these buttons are duplicated by the commands from the menu bar or from the context menus. So there are many ways to trigger basic actions, and you can choose the one which suits you most. Some buttons on the main toolbar are inactive and become activated when you select a project, a program, or a file. For example, when you select a program, Run buttons become active. Project Explorer gives you access to all the projects in your workspace, including all the source, theme, and media files in the alphabetic order. From the Project Explorer, you can also create, debug, build projects as well as import and export them. Program Explorer contains all the programs and files included in your workspace. But these files are systematized according to their type and the program they are added to. Besides the default ones, you can open other perspectives by clicking the Open Perspective button here, or go into Window, Perspectives, Open Perspective, and Other.